Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. I am here with stylish nails ideas about glittery nail polish. If you want to give a styles to your nails, then you are at right place. Watch my video about glittery nail polish art. From this video, you can able to give a charming nail styles to your hands nails by using glitter along with different base colors of nail polishes. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends. Thank you. This video is about glittery nails and nail polish. Glittering nails and nail polish are popular elements of nail art and beauty routines that can add a touch of sparkle and glamour to your fingertips. Here is a description of the glittering nails and nail polish. Glittering nails refer to the application of glitter in various forms on the nails, creating a dazzling and eye-catching effect. Glitter can come in different sizes, colors, and textures, ranging from fine shimmer to chunky glitters and holographic particles. It added a touch of glamour, making your nails stand out and catch the light beautifully. Glittering nails can be achieved in several ways, such as using glitter nail polish, loose glitter, or glittery nail wraps and stickers. Along these glitters, nail polish is a cosmetic product designed to decorate and protect the nails. It is typically available in liquid form, contained within a small bottle, along with a brush. Nail polish comes in a wide variety of the colors, finishes, and formulas to suit different preferences and styles. Traditional nail polish consists of a combination of solvent, pigments, resins, and film forming agents. When applied to the nails, the polish dries and forms a hard, glossy, or matte finish that adds color and visual appeal. Nail polish offers endless possibilities for creating and self-expressions. These are all about nails and nails polish. Thank you.